Yeah, man.
What a guan! I am Michael Marvin Samuels. Watch me make roti. Get flour, salt, baking powder, water. To get the detail for this recipe, get your copy Cookbook Jamaican Food Recipes, cooking oil or butter. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. Get a big bowl ready. Measure and add 2 cups flour into the bowl. Add half teaspoon salt. And then add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Use your hand with your fingers. Combine the ingredients. Add the water bit by bit. Use your hand with your fingers. Knead the dough well. Knead the dough properly. Use your hands with your fingers. Knead the dough properly. I am reading this recipe from Cookbook Jamaican Food Recipes. It's a big 8x10 book with 511 pages. Use your hands with your fingers to fold the dough inward to shape a ball, like this. The dough should be soft, silky, and firm like this. Put this round ball dough aside for 20 minutes. Next, get a chopping board ready. Put some flour into a container near. Have a food brush near. Keep a knife near. Put dough on a chopping board. Use the knife to divide the dough into 6 equal pieces. Do it like this. From this recipe, you will get 6 roti. After that, put dough between your palms. Roll a ball like this. Now, use your hands with your fingers. Press the ball to get a 3-inch diameter disc. Do this. Put some oil into a container near. Use the food brush. Lightly brush cooking oil on one side of 2 discs. Like this. Lightly sift flour on it. And then put the 2 floured side discs together like this. Roll this 3-inch disc to a 4-inch disc. To prevent sticking, dust the chopping board with flour. And then rub the flour on the rolling pin as well. Use the rolling pin. Roll this 3-inch disc to a 4-inch disc diameter. Do it like this. Now put these 4-inch diameter discs on a floured surface for 10 minutes. This is 6 4-inch diameter discs. Now roll out these 4-inch diameter discs to 8-inch diameter disc, diameter circle, diameter roti. Remember now, if the dough is sticking on the chopping board or the rolling pin, dust flour on it. While rolling, try and maintain the circle. Try and maintain a round disc. Nevertheless, if the shape is off a little bit, it's okay. It can still work. Put these 8 inches diameter disc aside. Put a dry skillet or a frying pan on the stove. Allow it to get hot for 1.5 minutes. Turn the stove's flame gauge on 3, medium. Allow the pan to get hot for a few seconds and then put the 8 inches diameter disc on the skillet. Allow the roti to stovetop bake. After 2 between 3 minutes and you can see the bubbles building on top, this is the right time to flip it. Use a spatula. Flip roti on the other side. And then use the food brush. Brush cooking oil on it lightly. Like this. Use a spatula. Flip the roti on the first side. Use the brush. Brush cooking oil on the roti lightly. Immediately after that, use the spatula. Remove the roti and then do the other ones. Today I am eating roti with curried chicken curry stew. You can eat roti with anything. From this recipe, we got 6 rotis. Look at the rotis up close. This is homemade roti. Put the filling on the roti like this. Roll it and fold it like this. This is it. Chicken roti. This is roti. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. You should try making roti yourself. I enjoyed it. You should subscribe, like, and share. The flavor of roti is almost like bread or pasta, plain pasta, or you might even want to say crackers. But it tastes just like soft taco. You know the taco, the soft one? Until next time, me gone. Get the cookbook, Jamaican Food Recipes. It's a big 8x10 book with 511 pages.